Lot number 220 is a 2006 Ford E-450 Bluebird Handy Bus. This one was not able to start. It appears that it's not getting enough power to the starter, and it only makes a clicking sound on the starter. I got a jump box and I got my 3 batteries connected to it, and it's still not enough power. I'll hit the key. The starter's making a clicking sound, but not enough power to turn. Mechanical condition is unknown. The interior looks dirty and moldy. Comes with a wheelchair lift. Mechanical condition of the wheelchair lift is unknown. It's got a rear mounted AC unit. It looks very moldy and dirty inside. It's missing the airbag. The steering wheel is worn, and the center console cup holder is dismantled. Let me try and show you the miles. It's got 98,000 miles. The body has dents along the passenger side, starting right there, and on the rear corner. Both rear corners are dented. And the driver's side looks straight. It's got tinted windows. The tires look good. This may be a running bus. It may have mechanical issues. I really don't know. Can't get it to turn on or to even turn over. It's missing the front bumper. So it's probably been sitting here a while and they're picking parts off of it. The engine appears to be complete. As far as I can tell. The roof looks moldy. Paint looks faded. And the interior is moldy and dirty as well. All right, so here you go, lot number 220. Good luck.